Here's how to fix if the photo access says private on your iPhone. Now, if you're on various apps and you're trying to give it permission to access your photos, but it says private access, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into the settings here, and then we'll scroll down until we find privacy and security. Tap on that. And then again, we're going to scroll down until we find the photos option. You'll be able to see lots say full access or none, but you can see WhatsApp says private access. And if I tap on that, it says private access. This app can show your photo library, but can only access the items you select. And it doesn't allow me to change it. Now, there are two different options to disable this and allow access. The first one is, let's go back to the beginning here and make sure screen time is not the culprit. Now, let's scroll down until we find screen time. And then again, scroll down until we get to content and privacy restrictions. And all you need to do is toggle this off. You might need to enter in a screen time passcode, but just disable this so that's not limiting the app's access to your photos. The second thing we can do is open up that specific app that says private access only. In this case, it's WhatsApp for me, so I can tap on the camera at the bottom right. And then now it finally pops up with allowing full access. And I can hit allow full access. And just like that, if I go back into the settings here, and I go back to privacy, and I go to photos, at the very bottom, now it shows full access there. So you might need to open up the app and request again to get permission to access those photos, and you're good to go. I hope this helped. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.